When you're working in SQL Server Management Studio, you'll often find yourself wanting to copy and paste a line of code. Like in this example in my case expression, I might want to copy the when then line to add more conditions to the expression. Now, of course, most people tend to know the keyboard shortcuts for copy and paste. They're almost the first keyboard shortcuts people learn when working in Microsoft products, along with Control-Z to undo your mistakes, Control-C to copy, Control and V to paste. And the conventional way to use copy and paste will be to highlight the text you want to copy, then press Control and C, then find somewhere to paste it, and then press Control and V. But that's actually a little bit long-winded in SQL Server Management Studio. You don't need to do the selection. If I want to copy the when then line, I can just click at the end of it, press Control C, followed by Control and V, and it duplicates the line below, positioning the cursor at the end of the copied line. So I can then just use that same keyboard shortcut again, Control C, Control V, and as many times as I like to get as many copies of that line as I want. So it's incredibly quick and simple, and then I can just go about editing the text on the other lines to make sure that I've got different conditions being tested and then different answers being provided. So there you go, a really quick, simple, straightforward way to copy and paste or duplicate lines of code using a standard keyboard shortcut in a slightly different way. Hope you found that one useful. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.